Hey everybody, Dr. Tom Carr here of drstocks.com. That's drstoxx.com. We're also serving our trading clients over on drstockstrading.com, drstoxxtrading.com. And we also have an options letter sold over on marketfy.com. It's the Dr. Stocks options letter. We're up over 1,500% in the last 3 years since we launched it. It's been a roller coaster ride, as you can see, but that's how it goes with options trading. Hey, I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to drill down into my actual trading account and show you what now this is not necessarily a typical day, but to show you what a nice day of trading looks like. We had a nice day indeed today. We ended up stopping at over $1,600 in profits today. We have over $2,100 in unrealized profits, and it was just a nice day overall. So happy with this. Now the market was up today, so that helps. What's really good is when we have an up day and the market's down. And what's the worst case scenario is when we have a down market. We have a down day in our account, but the market's up. But today was a nice win-win all around. This is our trading account, I should say. The trading account is what I use for active short-term swing trades and day trades. Then we have a long-term account, and when this trading account, this day trading account gets up to about 200,000, I take about 50,000 off the top and put that over into our long-term positions. So we're dollar cost averaging there, always a good idea. And we're using trading profits to do that with. So that's a technique that I teach in our 3-box investment system that is sold over on ichthusletter.com. That's another site that we manage, but more about that later, or you can email me if you're interested in that sort of thing. Yeah, I just want to show you what I've got on today. I'm looking at, I just put on today a couple of short-term swings in some leveraged ETFs. So I've got on Labu, which is the biotech 3X Bull ETF. I've got Nugget, which is the gold mining 3X Bull ETF. Both of those are in our ETF trend letters, and I'm trading right alongside with them, but I'm also in and out of those. I'm not swing trading those. I'm more or less day trading and 1 to 2 day trades in those. And just put these on today, 2 little positions, just kind of for fun money. My biggest percentage of money is in these trades right here, which are my system trades. Now these come from a variety of trading systems that I developed over the years, and that I use particularly in my my momentum letter and my hot stocks letter. Those 2 letters utilize momentum systems along with strong fundamental analysis. And so we have on a number of those positions and some others that come from related trading systems that I developed. Then we also have here on our we have on several penny stocks, which come from our penny stock letter, and they're not doing all that well. Usually when the market goes up, penny stocks go down, and vice versa. So this is not a great market for penny stocks. But anyway, we've got a few small positions, some baby positions on in those, and I always tell my clients, trade those very small, very, very, very small. And then we have on a number of positions that come out of the IBD Top 50 list. That's my favorite go-to place for short-term swing trades. You can't just buy them right off the bat. You've got to be selective. And I use proprietary techniques to get in and out of those on a regular basis. We're holding Annette. We've got Alibaba. We've got a new IPO, Casa. We've got Illumin, Intuitive Surgical, Meritor, Altahassan, Venom. We've got a number of these, pretty cool companies that are doing trendy things, and all strong growth companies. And we're in and out of those on a regular basis. You can see we've got some nice, unrealized gains in those, and a nice gain on today's trading. The stock I want to drill down into today is USAC right here. Where did it go? So right there, USAC. And it's the company's name is USA Truck, and USA Truck is a growth company. Let's take a look at the fundamentals of that one here. So USA Truck is a company. If you go to the company website, you'll learn that they are sort of a logistics company, a little bit like a FedEx or a UPS. They are a carrier of freight, from city to city, and basic nuts and bolts kind of company, straightforward, nothing fancy. They have done very well this year, and you can see, all this green stuff right here are all the upgrades that it's had over the last, well, at least in the last couple of years. We go down into the fundamentals. We see some very strong growth numbers, expected 87% next year, 27% over the next 5 years. Last EPS quarter was 155% over the previous quarter. That's huge. And we've got a nice low price to sales ratio, 0.47. Forward PE of 11.6. These are all really nice looking numbers. And it's trading now at a price of 26. It's been 170% up over the last 6 months, 190% over the last 12 months, 44% year to date. It's got a nice looking chart. The charting system that I use here is TradingView, and you can see that every time that it pulled into this little sideways consolidation pattern, if you were to buy within that pattern, then you would have experienced a nice breakout after a short-term hold while it consolidated that price. You can see some really nice volume action going on in here. That's really what we like to see. That's a post-earnings ramp when it went way up. Now, our hot stocks letter system identified a long-term position in USAC back down in here in this little envelope when it was trading somewhere between 12 and 14. And we held that position for several weeks until it got to a place where it had gotten a little ahead of itself. It pulled back into this nice little pullback, and that's when it triggered our momentum trading system that goes into our momentum letter. We got our clients along there, and now, of course, they went from 20 to 26. So all that's really good stuff. That's one of our better trades. Now, I'm not showing a huge gain right here unrealized in that particular position because I am in and out of that stock, as I am in most of my holds, but it has had a nice several days here. One more I'll take a quick look at here is OZM. This does have a nice healthy unrealized gain of over $300. And let's take a look at that. OZM is a little baby stock down here, and we can see that it is trading off of a fairly bullish, falling wedge. And if you're familiar with my first trading book, Trend Trading for a Living, you'll know that that's a bullish pattern when you see this narrowing wedge pointing down toward the lower right-hand corner of the chart, down at the lows, and at the same time you're seeing higher lows in a technical indicator like the MACD, a momentum indicator like the MACD. And what you can do is you put on a mini position within that wedge, hold it until the breakout, and when you hit the breakout, you add to that position. And that's more or less how we traded this. And here we are. We got in initially around 230. We added at 255 or so, and now here we are up at 276. So all that's good stuff. And that was just a couple of weeks. Nice move in just a couple of weeks' time. So lots of ways to make money in the markets. And again, we had a nice day, $1,636 on the day. Doesn't always go that well, but anytime I'm up over $1,000 a day, I'm happy with that result, no matter what the market is doing. So you can make good money trading. You just have to have A, very good systems, B, very good money management, C, a strong stomach. All right, everybody. More on that sometime tomorrow. If we have some things to talk about, I'll go ahead and publish another video tomorrow. God bless everybody. We'll see you on the trading floor. Bye now.